Did you find a friend?
No.
Majestic. What do you think, Addie? Jillian's making a friend here.
Not really.
How was your meal? It's like, yeah, I'm just gonna ignore you and what's that one? Does that one have a name? Ooh, you're reaching out. Whoa. Look at those paws. This one's kind of playful. Yeah, look. Ooh. It's like, you wanted to lay here? Well, guess what? I am. So what are we doing?
Going to a cat cafe. Well, we're in a cat cafe.
We're in a cat cafe.
But we're not with the cats yet.
Not yet. Addie, are you excited to meet the cats? There's one right over your shoulder. It looks kind of like Paco.
It does.
Yeah. Do you think there'll be some yellow ones in there? We don't care. We like them all. And you're getting something good to drink, some tea. What did they call it? Cat fiend or something? Cat tea. And I forget what the name was. What was your mocha called? Meowka?
Yeah.
Meowka. So all the drinks had funny cat names. And we'll be over there checking out the cats soon. So Addie, where's the kitties hiding? Oh, wait, Jillian. Here we are. What's this one's name? This yellow one. Looks like a kitten.
I'm not so good with the orange one.
I think it says Axel.
Oh yeah.
Hi,
I was just
Axel.
looking exactly what was in there.
Axel's
They're
like,
showing videos for cats of like squirrels.
here's a black cat. Oh, Axel's got a friend now. Aw. He put his paw on him. Psst, 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 psst.
Want to see it?
Oh, he's watching squirrel videos. You're very interested.
I've never even tried that with my cats. I've never.
Oh, Addie's favorite cat? Oh, scared one. Oh, look at this one. Aren't you amazing? Look how nice this cat is.
The one under there's the one Addie scared.
Oh, hello. Hello.
Knocked himself away.
I didn't see you down there. What do you think, Addie? Jillian's making a friend here.
Not really.
What did you find so far?
I don't know.
Is there one under the table? There's all kinds of hiding places.
There was one just a second ago. What about if that one?
There's a tiger. Oh, look at this one. This one's getting some shut eye. Oh yeah, here's one. Oh, they got all kinds of foods. Is this the one that's the king of the room? No. Oh, there goes another one. How was your meal? It's like, yeah, I'm just gonna ignore you and what's that one? Does that one have a name?
Yeah, but this has his name on it.
He's a little bit of a scaredy cat. He
Yeah.
kind of just flicked his tail at us.
Yeah, if you like walk up to him, he'll
If you-
see the cat up there.
Yeah. Oh, way up here.
It's like a young Paco or something.
Hello. Hello. It's like, I'm trying to get some privacy. Hello, kitty. Hello. What are you doing? Ooh, you're reaching out. Whoa. Look at those paws. You're going to be big someday. You are. You're going to jump. Just to give you guys an idea how high up this cat is. And back all the way up here. Look how high that cat is. This one's pretty cute. Hello. Hello, what's your name? Vader. Vader? Like Darth Vader? You're not scary. You're not scary. Ooh, you found a friend.
It's Hazel.
Hazel. Hiding way back in the corner. Oop, what's this one doing? Oop, that one's heading away. Yeah, they all like the chin rubs, huh? Yep. What's this one's name?
Sergio?
Hey, Sergio. Sergio, are you looking for some privacy? Ooh. This cat is so soft. They're all really well maintained. He's heading into his hideout.
Do you see that cat up there?
I did see that one hiding up there. There's one over there now.
Yeah, that's Vader.
Sergio's halfway in and halfway out. I wouldn't bug him. I don't know what he's doing.
Daddy, that cat's gonna jump. Daddy.
Whoa! Action shot.
Action shots?
Sergio's like, what is that cat doing?
I don't know.
Jump up. He looked like he was going to jump up. Oh, he's playing. You trying to befriend Sergio? He's like the king of the room, they said, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, pretty much. They're going for.
Oh, look at this one. This one's the Joker. This one's very playful. Yeah.
Yeah, that one's a little playful.
This one's kind of playful. Yeah, look. Ooh. It's like, you wanted to lay here? Well, guess what? I am. I am now. The age of Sergio is over. You got a nice pink nose, don't you? Yeah. You got a nice pink
It's
nose.
like tiny, but like,
That's still a young cat.
yeah, it's tiny but a young cat.
He's very fast. He's very quick. Oh, I like your eyes,
Oh,
Sergio.
Sergio's so fluffy.
Yeah,
Sergio's super soft.
I like his eyes. Where'd these guys go? Well, they're leaving. Is that one hiding? That one sat here the whole time, yeah. It's just a sit and relax kind of cat. That one's a sit and relax kind of cat.
You get something you hang it down there. That doesn't have legs at all.
You ornery one.
Go, Sergio, you can do it.
He's all the way, he's like, now I look marvelous. But I'm not going to look into your camera no matter what you do. I refuse. I refuse to look into the camera. How'd you get all the way up there?
I'm pretty sure he believes that we're like all under him. All that's gonna hold.
Yeah, he refuses to like even make any kind of eye contact. He's looking outside, I think. I think he can see.
Are you brave enough for the kitten room, Addie? When he was like a little whatever.
Look at that go.
It's getting later in the day, so they're probably settling down a little bit. When I'm volunteering in the morning, you can't even hold them. Like, you can't pet them. They just want to play. Which is fun to play with them.
So, Addie, what's this room? This one's different.
The kitten room.
Huh? Look at the camera.
The kitten
The
room.
kitten room, okay. I think these look a little big for kittens, but I guess these are the younger cats. They're all sleeping. How many are in there? Oh my, there's one. There are 3. And those guys are not going anywhere. Look at those pink paws. That's cute. Oh, I like this one. It's covering its eyes with its tail. It's trying to. Is that it? Is there one in here, you said? Oh, I didn't even see that.
Really tiny.
Aww. Hello. Hello. Are you waking up? Addie's sneaking in the back here. You're. Aww. That is such a tiny cat. Why are they all so sleepy? What do they do all day? What are you finding, Jillian?
Just staring at it.
Seeing if they're coming out. This one's not going anywhere. He found his warm spot, or she found her warm spot. I don't know.
That one's falling asleep now.
What, the one in the litter area? Is sleeping in the litter?
Well, he was. Now he's not.
Oh, hello. So, Addie, you gonna reach in there? You gonna reach in there?
It is warm in here.
Yeah, you can feel the warmth. The warmth of 3 kitties. At least 3 that we could see.
Yeah.
That one's pink nose. Oh, it's doing stuff. They're snuggling. Look, it just put its paw over the other one.
Eli, we're gonna have a second.
Did you find a friend?
No.
Majestic.
Hello?
Look at those paws.
Hello?
Yeah, I know. They're really good.
This is some big majestic paws.
Hello?
This one's very trusting.
I didn't. Oh, I didn't.
He looks mad, but I think he's just sleepy or intense.
No, I didn't even talk to him.
He's looking at something. It's not me.
I was trying.
Oh, that big pocket.
He's got nice big paws.
I am shy.
Yep.
Watching. Alright, say hi to that again.
He's like, of course.
See you later.
All right. So, what'd you think of the cat place?
I like Vader.
You liked who?
Vader.
Vader, the black and white one that was long hair, and you like Sergio, the big majestic one on top of the pillar. Very nice. I think I liked Alma,
It was
but
the one when I was in the kitten area. I just turned around and it was staring at me.
yeah, and Mommy had a favorite one. It was in the corner on the shelf. She really liked that one too.
That's such nice cats.
Yep. But all right, say goodbye to the kitties. Oh, we did already. I like these ears. Look at those ears.
Wait, there is a floor?
Bye, kitty.